Hello everyone and welcome to Flare. In this video I will be giving you 5 tips to improve your YouTube videos. But before I give you these useful tips, make sure you are subscribed and have notifications on so you never miss any future uploads. But anyways, let's get straight into the video. So first, let's talk about editing. Whenever you make videos for YouTube, you should always make sure they don't get boring. By trimming your clips, you can get rid of parts that you don't need. For example, if you make a 10-minute video that doesn't mean anything or have any information in it versus a 2-minute video that's actually useful, people will like the 2-minute video more than the 10-minute one, and the long video without any useful content in it will probably also get a lot of dislikes for wasting people's time. There are plenty of good video editors out there, but the ones that I would recommend are Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. The only major difference between the two is that Premiere Pro costs money, while DaVinci Resolve is enough for YouTube videos, even with the free version. If you are just starting out with video editing and don't have a lot of experience, you can start out by using Vegas Pro 15. Or if you are on Mac, Final Cut Pro and iMovie are good options for beginners. I will be linking all of these down in the description below if you want to download them. So a video editor can be a good investment if you are planning on keeping your channel for a long period of time. Another thing that you should always do is to make sure that your videos are in high definition. They should be at least 720p because no matter how good the content or narration on the video might be, no one likes to watch blurry low resolution videos, and they would probably leave your video just because of that. When watching videos made by channels that are struggling to grow, something that I see very often are intros that take up way too much time and are often unnecessary. You have probably seen those 20+ second long 3D intros, or those gift card giveaway intros that take up half the video. When you are making a video, you should get straight to the point. An intro should be 5 seconds long at most, and telling your viewers to subscribe should take an additional 10 seconds. Put this together, and you get 15 seconds to introduce your video and remind new viewers to subscribe. But does content and quality matter if no one is even going to click on your video? Unfortunately, the answer is no. The most important thing that you need to do to improve your videos and increase your views is to make good titles and thumbnails. With better titles, your videos can rank higher in search results, and if you have an attractive thumbnail, this will improve the chances of people seeing and clicking on your videos. I also recommend using professional photo editors like Adobe Photoshop to make the best possible thumbnails for your videos, therefore maximizing the click rate on your videos. The final tip is one that you probably have heard many times, but have never really tried to follow it. If you watch channels with over 1 million subscribers, you have probably realized something that most of them have in common. Most successful channels have a consistent upload schedule. This not only lets the viewers know exactly when your next upload will be, but something that not many new YouTubers know is that uploading often can give you a boost in the search results. Although YouTube has not officially disclosed this, many YouTube users have noticed that most videos that rank high on competitive search terms are from YouTubers who upload daily. So have a consistent upload schedule and you will be on your way to keeping your subscribers active. So those are my top 5 tips to improve your YouTube videos. If you have found these tips useful, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to be notified whenever we upload. I will be uploading more videos like this in the future, so turning on your notifications will help you be the first to watch our new videos. But anyways, good luck on growing your channel, and I will see you in the next video.